Hello everyone. In today's class, we will be discussing how to find sum of digits of a number. So, what do you mean by sum of digits of a number? For example, I have a number 12. The output is 1 plus 2, that is 3. I have a number 1, 2, 3. Sum of digits means 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. I have a number 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 10. Fine. This is the program we are going to solve today's class. How to find sum of digits of a number. Okay. To solve this problem, I'm going to use a while loop. Even you can use do while or for loop as well. So first, before going to directly program, let me write a logic here. Then I'll write a Java program. So assume I want to find a sum of digits of, let's take 12, that is a n equals to 12, and to calculate sum, right, I'm just taking a variable sum equals to 0, and here to achieve this logic I'm going to use a one variable r, that is called a remainder. Okay, so that is the first. These are just variable declaration. Now write a logic while n greater than 0. I'll explain you step by step. And in the first step, I'm finding a remainder. How I can find a remainder? N modulus operator 10, correct? Then sum equals to sum plus remainder. The next step, again that number equals to n divided by 10. Okay. And might be already aware what is the difference between this remainder and a division. So it will give the remainder, and it will give the coefficient. Correct? It will give the coefficient value. Fine. So let's write a step by step now. So in the first step, right? So what is the n first step? What is the n value? 12, and sum is 0 and r, just one variable, correct? And while n greater than 0, that is what is n? 12 greater than 0. Condition is true here, correct? It will enter into the loop. So the first step, what I'm finding, remainder. Okay, so how I can find is 12. Correct. So 10 ones 10, right? Here remainder is 2. Correct. This is the first step. Okay, now remainder is how much? Here, that is r. Remainder is 2. This is the 2. That is the first step, right? Remainder is 2. Then sum equals to sum plus, initially sum value is 0, right? Sum plus remainder. So initially sum value is 0 plus remainder is 2, that equals to 2. Fine. The next step is again number equals to, I'm finding a coefficient here, that is 1. I get a 1 here. That is the first step. Correct. The next step is again it will go to loop, right? While n greater than 0. What is the latest value of n? 1. So that is 1 greater than 0. Again condition is true. Fine. Again same steps. So but the n value is changed. Initially n value 12, right? Now n value is 1 now. This latest value you have to take. Correct? So that is 1 divided by 10, right? 10 zeros. 0. You will get a 1. Correct? Now again it will enter into inside. We are calculating these 3 steps. So remainder equals to this is what remainder will get, right? That is 1. Next one is sum equals to sum plus remainder. Okay, what is the latest sum? So not the initial sum. Initial sum is 0. Now the latest value of sum is in the previous step, that is 2. So 2 plus what is the remainder value now? 1. How much? 3. So what is the n value? N value is we have to take coefficient. That is n equals to what is the coefficient? 0, right? 0. Correct. Now again it will go to loop here while so 0 greater than 0. 0 greater, that is the next step, right? That is the third step. So 0 greater than 0. So condition is false. So whenever condition is false, we'll come out of this while loop. We'll print the final sum value. What is that? 3. That is the output. Okay, now let's write a program as well. I'm creating a simple Java class. Say sum of digits. Let's take int n equals to 12. Sum equal to 0 to find a remainder. Let's take R1 variable. While n greater than 0. So first step is we have to find a remainder, right? It's a modulus operator, which will give a remainder value. So sum equals to sum plus the remainder, and again n equal to n division operator, right? And it will give a coefficient, right? That's all. Finally, once loop is completed, find the result. Sum of digits plus sum. Let's run the program. We can see sum of digits of the 12, right? That is 3. Let's test with the 1, 2, 3. That is, we have to get out as 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10. Working fine, right? This is the program how to find sum of digits of a given number using this modulus operator and division operator. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.